Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Today we'll be previewing a game against, what's the name again? Is it Nouadhibou FC. Today we're previewing a game against Nouadhibou FC of Mauritania, and I'm going to call the list. If you don't know about the squad that traveled to Mauritania, I'm going to call them right now so that for those of you that didn't know the players that traveled with the squad. Let's go. Goalkeepers: Kwame Ba, Danlad Ibrahim, Razak Abalora. We know that Felix Annan got injured in our last game against Boracom Chelsea and he's out. Then defenders, we have Andre Apau, Christopher Nete, Same Frimpong, Ibrahim Moro, Patrick Asma, Abdul Ganiyu, Mubarak Yusuf, Wahaba Dams, Kwame Edom Frimpong, Emmanuel Sakode, Emmanuel Keke, Muniru Sule, Emmanuel Jimfi, Godfrey Siema, Kwame Obuku, Ibrahim. For strikers, Kwame Obuku, Ibrahim Osman, Evans Adomako, and William Opoku-Mensah. No Nabi Keita in the squad, and Augustine Akura, of course. The reports that Augustine Akura is leaving Asante Kotoko. I'll put the link for you guys. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link for you guys to go check that out. So I think it's going to be a very crucial game in Mauritania, and I think Asante Kotoko will have to put a very, very strong performance. Not because we just want to win the game, so that second leg will be easier for us. We have to win this first leg in their home. If we win this first leg in their home, it will reduce the pressure on us when they travel to Accra. So it's very important we win the first leg, and if we win the first leg convincingly and we scale to the next stage, it means that other opponents will be scared of us, and that is what we need. People to be scared of Kotoko. We are the biggest club in Ghana. We are one of the biggest clubs in Africa. People should be scared of us. So put out an impressive performance against Nouadhibou FC of Mauritania and secure that 3 points and come back home and finish the job. That is what I want from Asante Kotoko. But it won't be possible if Masukune don't pick the perfect lineup, the good lineup, or the good players for the game, because we've seen several times in our last two games that we've been struggling to score goals, struggling to create chance. We don't have that spark of creativity in the team. So I expect it to change when we face these people in Mauritania. So it's very, very important that we win this game because it's very crucial. We've seen how we performed in our last CAF Champions League outing in our preliminary stage, where we dropped out, and our coach then, I don't want to say his name. Our coach then was saying that CAF Confederation Cup is our level. Can you imagine? That is not what I want. I want us to win this game convincingly, home and away. I don't want struggle 1-0, then you come back and play 1-1. I don't want that. I want us to win convincingly. I know some of you will say 3 points is 3 points. I know 3 points is 3 points, but try and win convincingly so that it will give your players the morale. Like, it will boost their morale. Not that, oh, we are lucky. I want you to know that we beat them, and we beat them convincingly. Because right now, Asante Kotoko quality cannot match with that of Al Ahly. If we want to be the biggest club in Africa again, we have to match that kind of powerhouse, and I think we can do it if we pick the right players. If the coach picks the right players and put out an impressive performance, the players should understand themselves and put out an impressive performance. I think this game will be very close, so I'll give you my prediction. I think Kotoko will win this game 2-1 or 3-1, because I think they are going to score a goal, probably a penalty, but I think Kotoko will score 2 or 3 goals, so 2 or 3-1. That is what I feel. And when they come back to Accra, I'll also give you my prediction. But right now, I think Kotoko will win. So if you are betting, Kotoko will win. So bet and place your bet on Kotoko, because I'm sure they are going to win. That's all for now. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Subscribe right now and click notification bell. And I think the game is going to be a very crucial one. Yeah, so like, comment, tell me your thoughts, what you think about the game. Drop your predictions down below. Drop it down now.